This screencast will demonstrate how you can use the Immersive Reader application found in Office 365 to create scaffolds for your students to help them to better access complex text. From your Wake ID portal, you will click on the Office 365 tile. Once on this page, you will go to the left and click Start New Word Document, and it will open a blank Word document template. Now you can do a couple of different things here. You could copy and paste information from another document onto this page, or you can use the Dictate button in the upper right-hand corner. Did you ever wonder how scientists have learned so much about Earth's history? How do we know what the dinosaurs looked like, what they ate, or where they lived? Now this is not a perfect science. Every once in a while you'll have to go back and fix a word ending or a punctuation mark. But once you have this the way you want it, you would go up and click the View button, and then the Immersive Reader tab will appear. You click on Immersive Reader, and it will convert what you just read into a page that has the ability for students to play and listen to that information. The other really great thing about this is that when you click on some of these words, it will show pictures to help students better understand the meaning of words. Sometimes they can read the words, but they don't necessarily know what they mean. So once students are ready to listen, they do have to click on the first word and then the play button at the bottom of the page.
Did you ever wonder how scientists have learned so much about Earth's history? How do we know what the dinosaurs look like, what they ate, or where they lived?
So that's a great example of how you can use the Immersive Reader application in Office 365 to create scaffolds for your students.